here in the rain because we're first responders. Just like when we had that Hurricane Matthew. We were the first ones out here, and we drove through the storm, and we were picking up the debris and damage and show off some of our equipment that we have. We're here to help the community. That's what we're about.
If you're a citizen and you got a down power line out in your house after a storm, what's some of the steps that you should do?
First thing to do is either call us or call 911, call any emergency contact. You got to get in contact with us to get there.
Give them your address?
Yes, sir. Stay away as far as possible. Because see, when this thing hits the ground, you know, the earth's a good contender too, and it can run through the earth. But just by you even getting close to it, you got to worry about things like step protection.
Right.
I mean, voltage is still running through that earth and could be coming in contact with you then. So it's just stay away from it, make sure everyone else stays away from it, and just contact us.
I'm a citizen brand spanking new into Horry County. What's some of the things I can do to get myself prepared quickly in the event of a storm?
So the best thing to do and the easiest thing to do is you got to get information. And obviously coming to an event like this is one thing, but the easier way to do it is we've got a web page, emd@horrycounty.org, and if you follow social media on Facebook, like us on Facebook, but the web page is chock full of information for preparedness.